CMRC has over 20 years' experience of effective engagement of migrant and refugee communities. We've packaged this wealth of insight and expertise into Beyond Diversity, our new cultural competency training and consultancy service. By providing professional training and advisory services to government, business and not-for-profits, Beyond Diversity takes the lead for more inclusive communities.
It gives us enough understanding and develop a sensitivity when we deal with the clients from refugee background.
I think if we have the knowledge first to go out and try to engage with people and communities from their perspective, then we have a better chance of hopefully being able to help them.
There's a lot of difference between each child that I work with. So I need to be aware of all their different backgrounds and what I should expect. I think it's really important to know so I don't offend or do anything wrong.
One of the exciting features about Beyond Diversity is that it's customised to meet the unique needs and challenges of each organisation that we work with. By doing this, we're able to maximise our impact and affect real change.
They research the organisation, they check into the policy, the procedures, the clientele that we have, and they deliver the training tailored especially for the staff of the organisation. So it was very much relevant to what we do every day.